It's now late summer and I've got a pot here filled with lavenders that I potted up in the summer, and it's been really beautiful. But now that the flowers have faded, it's time to give them their summer prune. And the reason I do that is that it just keeps the plants nice and fresh looking. It avoids them getting leggy and bare at the base, because lavender, if it's not clipped back, can start looking a bit gangly and misshapen and often needs replacing. I've only got a few plants here, so I'm going to use a pair of secateurs. If you've got a lavender hedge, you can just go over it with a pair of shears. Now, the golden rule with lavenders is when you're pruning them that you don't cut into old woody growth. So you don't want to cut below this current season's growth, and you can see it's slightly different colour. You can cut as hard back into this new growth as you like, but don't cut below because it may not bounce back. So basically I'm just going to grab the top of the plants and start cutting into them. I'm aiming to get a nice rounded dome shape. You can see already how much neater that's looking. Just take that back a little bit more, and that one's done. So there we are.